89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Time once again for some of the latest pieces of news from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. The Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, through its Public Health and Safety Department, PHSD, conducted the Lab for All Advanced Laboratory Registration for SBMA employees, their dependents, indigenous peoples groups at the Subic Bay Gymnasium, just a couple of days ago. All right. Public Health OIC Deputy Administrator Jerome Martinez and PHSD Manager Dr. Solomon Hakalne led the screening of the beneficiaries, which will be used for their medical consultation during the upcoming Lab for All Caravan on May 21. Hey, that's going to be tomorrow at the Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center. So don't forget, tomorrow na, the Lab for All Caravan, May 21. All right? And also, the Lab Spa and services is inviting all of you for an afternoon of relaxation. Ayan. Pagkatapos ng mahabang trabaho, syempre, relaxation naman. Alright? So, visit them for a very relaxing massage experience. Ayan. Lab Spa, LABZ Spa. Okay, located at number 2757 Rizal Avenue, West Bakbak, Olongapo City, 2757 Rizal Avenue. Malapit dun sa what we call the Sibul area. All right? And for more inquiries, may call or text also 0956-018-5964 if you want to book an appointment or a reservation. You may also book your appointment via the Facebook page. Okay? Just look them up on Facebook, Lab Spa, LABZ Spa. Okay? So that's their official Facebook page. Message them, okay? And also a couple more invites for you guys. The 2024 vaccination program of the SBMA Employees Welfare Multipurpose Cooperative will be happening May 25, 2024, Saturday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Subic Gym. Okay? Abot kayang bakuna, handog ng kooperatiba. Alright? Ayan, so for the vaccines for influenza, quadrivalent, for pneumococcal vaccines, HPV, hepatitis B, diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, and for shingles vaccine as well. Ayan, mga available na vaccines, ha? Courtesy of the SBMA Employees Welfare Multipurpose Cooperative 2024 vaccination program. Okay? May 25, 2024, Saturday, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Subic Gym. Registration is up until May 23, 2024. Yung mga gustong mag-participate, gustong magpa-vaccine, ha? Okay? You may visit the website, okay? The SBMA EWMPC flu vaccination program order form is posted at the SBMA Employees Welfare or SBMA Employees official Facebook page. All right? So, be sure to have your registration na up until May 23 yan, ano? Tapos the vaccination program is on May 25, okay? And more healthcare services for you. ZMMG Co-op Hospital is also offering emergency room consultation, inpatient admission, outpatient. All right? Also, the laboratory services, radiology, pharmacy, OB-GYN, ultrasound, newborn screening, annual PE, drug testing, and a whole lot more. ZMMG Co-op Hospital, number 14 Brill Street, West Bahak, Olongapo City. Okay, you may call or text 0998-919-0965 or the landline hotline number 602-0278. All right? ZMMG Co-op Hospital. And final set of invites for you guys coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. The best gift for any occasion, of course, SM Gift Pass. Get them now at the customer service counter of the SM store. The famous Belgian waffles is now open at SM City Olongapo Downtown. Visit the famous Belgian waffles at the ground level. Shoes and bags sale up to 50% off May 1 to 31 at all SM stores. A&W root beer is being offered for free for every 250 pesos minimum single receipt food purchase at the SM Food Court. It's located at the fourth level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay? Kabalen's pre-buffet with the SM Advantage cards, MAC card. Bring in 4 paying customers with you and yours is free. All right? It's like a parang 4 plus 1. Okay? That's how it goes. All right? And CBTL free drink upsize up until December 31. Visit CBTL Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf at the SM Store, second level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay? And if you got plans of seeing the movies, let me tell you what's showing right about now. Here is the lineup of movies for SM City, Olongapo Central, and SM City, Olongapo Downtown. Okay? For Cinema 1 of SM City, Olongapo Central, this is up until May 21, until tomorrow. Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes 1 and 2, and alternating at Cinema 2 is the Fuchsia Libre. All right? And if is now showing at Cinema 3. Cinema 4, Isang Gabi. Ayan, Isang Gabi. Kung magkakaroon ng movie sila sila Kuya Jonas Reyes. Ayan, sila Marlo Zerudo. Sila Ronald Ponseca, sila Mike Yap, ayan, sila Mike Del Rosario, si Joseph Amigo. Ayan yung magandang title pag magkakamovie tong mga to Isang Gabi. Bakit Isang Gabi? Tanungin nyo na lang sila. Cinema 5, Haikyuu, The Dumpster Battle. Cinema 6, Sting, A Southern Hunting at Cinema 6 also. Alright. And for Cinema Downtown, the cinemas downtown, Cinema 1, Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes, Cinema 2, If, and at Cinema 3, what's showing is Haikyuu, now spiking. Haikyuu, animated movie yun, Okay? So there you have it, the lineup of movies for SM Cinema Downtown and SM Cinema Central. Buy your tickets now. Pwedeng bumili ng maaga ng tickets for reservation syempre, okay? Here's our next cool requested song. Music coming from 3 Days Grace. This is called Are You Ready? 895 Subic Bay Radio. Are you ready?